We're almost to the end. Can you believe it? Anyway, you guys are doing a great job. Keep up the good work. This week, we are going to be taking a look at measures of center. So I hope you guys are ready. Some little bit of change of pace. Let's get started here. So remember from elementary school that the measures of center are the mean, the median, the mode, and the range. And we're talking about averages. So all of these are special types of averages. The mean average is when you calculate the average. The median average is when you line up the numbers in order from least to greatest and you pick the middle number. The mode is the number that occurs the most, and the range is the difference between the highest and lowest numbers. So some of this stuff is review, and some of it will be a little bit new. Okay, so just pay attention, get your calculators ready, and be ready for the averages. Okay, so we're going to start off with the review, and in the review there is an open middle. If you guys remember that from classroom, we did open middles. Those are a lot of fun, so try that. And then the review notes is from the Math is Fun website. That's a good place to start if you forgot all about averages. And of course, we have the brain pop. So look at that, and that'll help you remember some things that you may have forgotten since 5th grade. Okay, explore. So remember, this is the required part, and this is where you're going to have the activity. If you're choosing option A, you're going to do it on your own. You are going to go into the Edmentum activities and look at the tutorial on the measures of center. So make sure you do that before you do the printed activity or the practice activity. And then if you're doing the option B, that means you're going to join me for the Google Meet, and we're going to do the activity together. A lot of people really enjoyed that last time because you got your work done really quick. Okay, this is what it looks like, and you want to make sure that you hit share, and you make sure you share it with me, Mrs. Taylor, and not Mrs. Ferry or Miss McFarland. Make sure you hit the share. It'd be a good idea to put your name in the title also, and that helps me spot it a little bit easier. All right, moving on to the evidence page. This is where you're going to do some activities, and you're going to record your score in the Padlet that's there. So make sure you do that. This is required also. So I want to see some high scores on that Padlet. The apply is Alex again. You want to do 5 topics. If you have not completed 100 topics for the whole school year, you definitely want to hit Alex this week. All right. There's the 100. You want to hit 100 topics. Okay, the reflection and feedback, once again, is the Google form. Do that for us. Just one last time, guys. Just one last time. And the extension is really a lot of fun. This Brain Pop challenge is a little challenging. It's actually quite challenging, but I think you guys are going to enjoy it, especially those of you who find mean, median, and mode pretty easy. And of course, there's a Desmos activity. All right, so that's the lesson you're going to see in your Google Classroom. And let's talk about the Google Meet times. Thursday, Friday, and Monday. So Thursday and Friday are regular class times. Join me at any of these, 9:45, 10:30, or on Friday, 9:45, or 10:30. And of course, Math Lab on Monday. Love to see you there. All right, so you guys, that's it. I hope everybody's having a great week. Get outside and enjoy some sunshine, and we'll see you next week. Bye.